Hey guys, if you have one of these Wash FX, mine's just happened, this knob broke. Look at this. So separated, and it's a pain in the ass to literally to keep this, nicely. So I went on Amazon and I purchased this replacement here. Let me see if I can show you the box or the bag. Literally, that's what it is. This replacement, M8 times 20 millimeter. So got two of these, and look at that, screwing them in. So that is a perfect replacement. Hold on, I need my right hand to do this, because my left hand, I'm not doing so well. So here we go. There we go, got it. So there we go. But this is the solution if yours break. I believe it was very cheap, but got it nice and sturdy. Look at that. And it's actually got a better grip opposed to what it comes with. So sorry for the shaky video, but that's it. I mean, I'm loving this. Nice tight grip. That's what you want.